stay competitive, and it's always nice to see what's being innovated, to see if we can get into these products first.
If it's not here, then we don't know about it most of the time. Where else are you going to find a place where you can do it all in one stop? Makes a big difference.
You get to see what other companies are up to at the same time, and everyone's trying to beat that trend, beat the curve.
You've got to stay on the forefront. You've got to let your customers know that, hey, we are here, we keep up with technology, we keep providing products, we innovate.
Every year we continue to grow as a company, and I think SEMA helps us do that.
We've had so many people coming in and out, both from TV channels to influencers, drivers, partners. It's one place that we can capture everyone and have the same discussion to spread the word of what we do.
I think it is very important for exhibitors to be here.
If you want to go to the center of activity with the car industry, it's here at SEMA. This is where you do it.